Hey everyone. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to make an incredibly simple and delicious Korean bean sprout salad at home. This dish is known as kongnamul muchim, and it's a perfect side dish or banchan for any meal. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need about 300 grams of mung bean sprouts. Make sure to wash them thoroughly under cold water. Once clean, bring a pot of water to boil. Add a pinch of salt to the boiling water, and then blanch the bean sprouts for about 1 to 2 minutes. We want them to be slightly tender, but still crunchy. Once done, drain and rinse them under cold water to stop the cooking process. Now, let's get to the seasoning. In a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and half a teaspoon of salt. Toss in the blanched bean sprouts and give everything a good mix. Make sure each sprout is coated with that delicious seasoning. For that extra bit of flavor, sprinkle in some toasted sesame seeds and chopped green onions. A quick toss, and there you have it, your very own kongnamul muchim. Serve it as a side dish with your favorite Korean dishes, or just enjoy it on its own. It's light, flavorful, and so easy to make. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious Korean recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.